Hey, I'm Ashwin. Let me give you a demo of Spearmatch. I actually used Spearmatch when I was building my own college list. So let me show you how it works. You land here. No sign up, no account. Just hit Start My College Strategy and you're in. Here, you enter your GPA, unweighted and weighted. Let's say 3.7 and weighted 4.1. Enter your test scores here. You can add your SAT and ACT here, but let's be for real, who's actually taking both? This is completely optional, but I highly recommend you to add if you have taken these tests, because that influences the kind of suggestions you get. I'll enter 1358. Here, provide your extracurriculars. Some of you may have very minimal, and some may be nationally recognized Olympiad champions. I'll just select school and community. Next, select the role you played, ranging from a nobody to the founder of the organization. I'll just select participated. If you know what major you want to do, select it here. If you can also leave it as undecided if you are unsure. I'll select undecided for now. If you are the first in your family to go to college, I highly recommend that you select yes here, because that will show you colleges that prioritize you. Family income is optional, but if you fall in the lower brackets, I suggest you provide it, as it will show what your family may end up paying for each college. I'll select home state as California. If you have any region, state, campus size, setting, or even college type preferences, feel free to add them, or else leave them all blank. Provide your first name so that it feels personal. It doesn't matter what you provide here. Pick a template to specify how many colleges you want to see in each tier of reach, target, and safety. You can also fine-tune this here. I'll select an ambitious and only 6 reaches. I'll click build my list and it'll take my profile and give me colleges that are fine-tuned to me. And here's what you get. A full list broken down into reach, target, and safety schools. All it took is less than 4 minutes. One thing that I love about Spearmatch is that it gives me this tip to improve my application and my understanding of the college. Here is the ticket price as well. It gives me the estimated cost per year if I were to attend at USC for this example. This is after financial aid is taken into account. To get a detailed profile of the college, just click into it. I'll select Barnard College. Each school shows how your profile compares to admitted students. For Barnard College, the profile is in the lower end, which makes sense because it is a reach. This is my favorite part. Every school has specific tips written for your profile. It tells you exactly what to work on for that school based on your actual numbers, and specifically for Barnard College. For example, it shows that if you really like it, you can try applying for early decision, and that will 3 times your chances of getting in. It talks about what you should include in your essay and whether to submit your test scores or not, and so on. I wish I had this earlier in the process. It's completely free and no account is needed. Try it at spearmatch.com.